Thank you, Cindy. Well,
Yeah.
you have been listening to me, so I don't want to further say anything. Thank you,
I'll
sir.
take last 30 seconds. I want and tell us, and once or twice, what we should do is we should actually, do you attend the program of giving the terminal benefits to pensioners? During that time also, we should try to educate the pensioners regarding investment. It will be a great social service. And thank you, Febin. Where's Febin? Yeah, thanks, Febin. Lovely, lovely lecture. Very nice, very thought out and very methodical. And LP Naik, though, I don't have words to tell. Like, you get my point. It's beyond my description. Actually, now I will start my keynote address. I have cut it short for all of you. My keynote address now has been converted into money only. Correct. Right? Can you name the first two IRAS officers of the country? The first two IRAS officers. They belong to 1930 batch. Mic, who's got the mic? No answers? No answers? Okay. That's okay. C.T. Venugopal and D.P. Mathur were the first two IRAS officers. Who is the first IRAS financial commissioner? No problem. No problem. Actually, there is a saying that ignorance is bliss. Okay. Next, the first IRAS officer to become Secretary to Government of India. Any idea? Is Y.T. Shaw.
So we have some guesses.
Yeah? Yeah. I'm so sorry. You can go ahead. Yeah, okay. This, at least this you should know. Who is the first IRAS officer to become GM of a railway?
Narsimhan, sir?
Narsimhan is right. So Mega gets $1,000. Okay. Then, who is the first lady IRAS officer? Mrs. Priya Prakash. 2,000 rupees to Mega. This is the last question. Who is the first lady FC?
Mr. Vijayalakshmi.
Yeah, you get 1,000 rupees. Okay. You told. So it will be shared between Arpita and Abhishek. Okay. 500. Did anybody else also know the answer? Just get up. So it will be 1,000 by 3. Anyone else? Okay, thanks a lot. This is such a lovely place. I thank everyone for the evening today. There is so much of positive energy without any fear of contradiction. I want to tell that this is perhaps one railway where there are no politics at all, be it religion, caste, creed, whatever. I'm so glad. People initially feel bad to come to this railway, but once they come here, they really feel very nice, and when they go on transfer, they have lots of nice memories in retrospect. Thanks a lot. It has been very nice, and I'm not very sure whether I will be there for the next IRAS day. Thanks once again. Thanks to everyone present here individually. Thanks. And one more thing. I thank the photographers. I thank the S&T guys. I thank the school children. I thank the caterers. And individually, I thank everyone for the contribution. Like Yakub has taken care of the food, and Mega has taken care of the comparing, like that. I might have, there is a possibility that I must have missed someone, but it's not by intent at all. Thanks a lot.
Lighten up the evening, sir. Whatever gathering it is, when you go on stage, it automatically gets lightened up. Thank you very much, sir, for letting us have this evening today, and to do the further honors and extend the vote of thanks for technically closing the session. May I please request Senior DFM Bilaspur, Shri Anuj, to extend the vote of thanks.
Kera sir, ma'am, FABNT Shri K. Abhishek Anand Rao sir, my esteemed seniors, dear colleagues, and their spouses, ladies and gentlemen. It is my privilege to be a part of this gathering. As you know, the tradition of celebrating IRS Day every November provides an opportunity to IRS community not only for sharing their knowledge and reaffirming our belief in values that IRS represents, but also for strengthening the bonding between seniors and younger generation. At the outset, I would like to thank PFA sir for gracing the occasion. Your speech, sir, was just like we expected it to be, very lively and informative. And sir, I assure you that your advice will be followed by us. So relevant and contemporary these days. My special thanks to Sri LP Nayak, AFA Stores, for sharing knowledge on yoga with us. I am grateful to Deputy FNCA Construction Yakub sir and construction team, Senior AFA IND Sri Ashok Nayak ji and his headquarter team, Bilaspur Division team, for helping in making this for helping in making necessary arrangements for this occasion and making this evening a grand success. A very
एक्चुअली ये सॉन्ग दूसरा है लेकिन ये धुन बहुत प्यारी है, इसलिए मैंने कहा चलिए इस खूबसूरत शाम के नाम एक बार तालियां बजा लीजिए अपने लिए। और मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, मैं जितनी देर तक यहाँ गा रहा हूँ मुझे एज ए सिंगर आप ट्रीट करें, अगर गलत होता है तो बोलेंगे जरूर और अच्छा होगा तो ताली जरूर बजाइएगा, क्योंकि मुझे सपना है कि मैं अपने लोगों के बीच में सिंगिंग करूं। तो लीजिए, ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे जो कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे जो कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। कसम मेरे होठ ये जाए मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। सो मच।
Suresh, very nice. Mrs. Suresh is here. Come, it's you give it to her.
आप सबके बीच रख रहा हूँ। और ये सॉन्ग एक्चुअल में मैं पहले ही गाने वाला था, लेकिन चूंकि पहला सॉन्ग जो है उसकी परंपरा अलग थी, इसलिए मैं उस गीत को गाया। बहुत ही खूबसूरत सॉन्ग। हसीना से यो कुछ हसीना से
वो ये दी कि ज़ुबान कितनी अच्छी है। अगर आप में एक अच्छी ज़ुबान हो और आप अच्छा गाते हो, यकीन मानो तुम करोड़ों से ऊपर हो। मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम्हारी आवाज़, तुम्हारी अंदाज़ ऐसे ही बनी रहे और वाग्देवी सरस्वती तुम्हें ऐसे ही नवाजती रहें। तुम ऐसे ही लोगों का आनंदित करते रहो, महफिलों को रोशन करते रहो, आगे बढ़ते रहो। तुमने मुझे इस मंच पर बुलाया, मैं नहीं जानता मैं कितना काबिल हूँ, और आदमी जब होश में ना हो तब उसे बुलाना नहीं चाहिए। मुस्कुराकर खिताब करते हो, आदतें क्यों ख़राब करते हो? अब भी आ जाओ, कुछ नहीं बिगड़ा, अब भी हम इंतज़ार करते हैं। खैर, आपने मुझे इस मंच पर बुलाया, मुझे याद नहीं कि मैं क्या गाने वाला हूँ। एक फिल्म थी राज कपूर की, उसमें गाना था ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना। मैं ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना। ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना। ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, धरती को सूरज तरसे, धरती को चंद्रमा, धरती को सूरज तरसे, धरती को चंद्रमा, सागर में मोती जैसे प्यासी हर आत्मा। ओ मितवारे सागर में मोती जैसी प्यासी हर आत्मा, बूंद छुपी किस बादल में, कोई जाने ना। ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना। ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है। ला 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 ला, ला 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 ला, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है, ला 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 ला, तूफान तो आना है, आकर चले जाना है।
The best of your subordinates come out. You get my point? There should be no fear. There should be no indifference. I've always believed in the fact that you should make extra efforts. Everything is, as an officer, as a superordinate, you should provide the opportunity so that the best of you all come out. I go out of the way to do that. I want my officers to do the same. Life is all about acceptance. Life is all about tolerance. Life is all about adjustment. Life is meant to be happy. If you start evaluating, if you start analyzing, if you start criticizing, you'll never be happy. The day when you accept things the way they are, there is lot of happiness in life. This, I want you all to think on these lines. Yes, we will and we shall encounter a lot of hurdles, but then we shall never think in the lines of tooth for a tooth and a nail for a nail. It's a great feeling to forget and forgive, right? If you are by any chance believer of God, in Sai Sat Charitra they say you've got this Janma after 87 lakhs of different species. The basic aim of life, you have been given this life to realize God and to help others. True happiness lies in making others happy. Thanks a lot. I'm really grateful that God has given me such an opportunity where I am at the helm of the affairs. Anyone at any point of time, they can call me, and whatever best I can do, I shall do without any obstructions, without any preconceived notions. Right? Maybe my wife also would like to say one or two words. Yeah.
It's just ditto, yeah.
Thank you.